How to activate Lloyds Bank Debit Card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Lloyds Bank Debit Card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and type in lloydsbank.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then after, you will reach to the official website of Lloyds Bank, where you have to simply locate the logon option highlighted in the top right corner of the screen and log into your Lloyds Bank account. You can also do this in your mobile device. For that, you have to launch the Lloyds Bank app on your mobile device and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your debit card. For that, you have to select the option for the online debit card activation, and you will go through the 3 steps process. Choose activate your card first and fill in the main card holder's details like the date of birth and number. To activate the both cards, contact the helpline. Once you've entered your details accurately, hit the activate option to complete the process, and that's it. Your Lloyds Bank debit card is now active. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.